Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ZRX or 0x or whatever you want to call it. But we're covering it again, or we're covering it in this video. It's the last time I covered 0x. It's quite some time ago, but right now you can see that the volume in the last 24 hours is over $700 million. And just in general, I mean, take a look at this. I mean, it has rallied since the 11th. So yesterday morning, it started rallying, and since then has gone up almost 100%. I was actually looking at this yesterday morning, and I was like, I should probably enter this, but I did not. All right, because I already was in a big position on TI right here, so I did not enter, but it's very bullish. So just wanted to make a video on that, talking about whether it can rally up higher. Right now, the main resistance level is around 55 cents. You can see on the daily time frame that's a strong level right here between 57 technically and 54 cents. You got a lot of Fibonacci extension there, but it's also a strong historical key level. So the main reason I wanted to talk about this is to see if it can actually rally up higher, all right? Because what you also see is that ZRX, after hitting that resistance, has dropped down, but so far, like, it reacted very, very well to the 382 fib. It has held the 28 EMA, and it's trying to break back above 50 cents here. Which is a big psychological resistance level, of course. So that makes me believe that there's still potential and that it's worth it to make a video on it, even after it has rallied so much. Now, if you take into account the open interest and the volume here, which I usually take a look at to measure the momentum, you can see that sure, that has dropped down a little bit since earlier this morning. So basically since this drop, but it's still fairly high. It also seems to be recovering a bit here. So I actually do think that ZRX has potential here. Now I would say that after finding support at the 302 fib, it's already enough to get one bullish breakout. So let's potentially say that ZRX breaks above 50 or 50 and a half cents right here, the 0.236 fib. Then that should already be enough to get up to the next price target, which is right here at 65 and 70 cents. That's what I would normally say. But now it's a little bit different, because I actually do expect, or at least I think there's quite a high likelihood of Bitcoin showing some more bearish momentum. And if Bitcoin would show some more bearish momentum, then that could be very bad for ZRX as well. So I think the main level it needs to break really is 54 cents again. If it's able to do that, like breaking above 50 cents would be a good start. But I think in the end, if ZRX gets up to 54 cents and does not break above that and just consolidates here for the next 24 or 48 hours, then at some point of time, 46 and 45 cents is going to break, and ZRX will drop back down to 38 cents, and then this rally is over. All right, so it needs to get that bullish breakout above 54 cents. If it's able to do that, then I do think 65 and 70 cents is coming. And obviously you're watching a price prediction. So if you want my prediction on what I think is most likely here, it is the bullish breakout. Like I said, the open interest is still fairly high. It is growing again, and the reaction it's getting from support here just makes me believe the chance is higher that it continues and that this bullish market structure stays intact. But those are my thoughts. That's my analysis right now on ZRX. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And lastly, as you can also see from around the screen, I have my own premium group where I have signals, but also a normal premium group. If that sounds interesting, check it out. Consider joining. The signals are profitable. The premium group, I think, adds a lot of value. But whether you want to join, it's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.